Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the 4MP Bulb Security Camera 2.4 GHz 362K security cameras, wireless outdoor-indoor full-color day and night, motion detection, audible alarm, easy installation, compatible with Alexa, 2-pack. This camera is packed with features that make it a must-have for any home or business. First off, let's talk about the 4MP HD Image Color Night Vision. This camera supports 4MP HD resolution, ensuring ultra-clear details during the day and night. Whether in the presence of faint starlight or complete darkness, it can ensure that objects within 30 feet can be clearly monitored, giving you the best night vision experience. Next, the wireless and easy installation make it a breeze to set up. Simply install the camera using a normal E27 bulb base and download the LayView app to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi. No other operations are required, making it hassle-free and convenient. The motion detection and motion tracking alerts are also a game changer. The camera accurately detects objects and automatically tracks them in a super large range of 355 and 17 feet. You can set different sensitivity levels according to your needs, giving you peace of mind knowing that your property is being monitored effectively. Not to mention, the two-way audio and alarm siren feature allows you to talk with family or visitors on your mobile phone and set an audible alarm to scare away uninvited guests or welcome visitors. And the best part? This camera supports multi-user sharing, allowing up to 20 users to watch the video at the same time, and it works with Alexa and Google Assistant for added convenience. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality security camera, look no further than the 4MP Bulb Security Camera. You won't be disappointed. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible camera today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tech tips.